Hey there guys, it's Nathan at SimpleShot, and we are stoked to be sponsoring the Bushcraft Bonanza. Now that sounds a little bit goofy, but we've got a lot of great friends in this industry, people that enjoy shooting slingshots, oftentimes enjoy spending their time out in the woods with their friends and family. And this whole bushcraft thing, it's real and it's awesome if you're not aware of it. But we've got some great sponsors that are kicking off with us this year, some big names as well. So we got Stewart. Creek is a true gentleman, tremendously generous guy. He has donated, I think this will be a part of our grand prize, a beautiful backpack, a dry bag, a stack of field guides. Creek donated a whole bunch of great stuff. Wazoo gear, a couple of their bushcraft fire necklaces, the fire pendants, the adventure kit here, one of their cash caps, which are super cool, a couple of their bandanas. Let's see what else we got there. Is that some more Wazoo stuff? Nope, this is Griffin. So we got the folks at Griffin Pocket Tool and Georgia Bushcraft. We got some of the Bushcraft Coffee Company coffee in addition to the pocket tools. Zach Fowler, of course, he's a part of it. He had donated his adventure bundle. Lots of cool gifts in there. Here's a pair of gloves that Creek donated. Tuff Possum gear. The guys over there, awesome. I love their gear. We've got a satchel here. Several small bags of different sizes. We got Woods Monkey on board. Woods Monkey has donated this really cool friction folder, which, man, I wish I could join this contest because all of these things are right up my alley. This is a really cool piece, just an accessory organizer from Woods Monkey. Pacific Northwest Bushcraft donated some awesome bags, really awesome bags. We got a tool roll here, several small bags, this nice tote, which I didn't realize I needed. I need that in my life. A couple of dump bags here. Who doesn't need more awesome canvas bags? Grim Workshop, they've donated some very cool stuff, all sorts of different pocket tools. If you're not familiar with Grim Workshop, they do some really cool, just put it in your pocket, forget about it until you need it, when it's there kind of tools. I don't think I'm forgetting anybody. Maybe, SimpleShot. SimpleShot's in there. Of course, we are donating. There's going to be over $7,000 worth of prizes. I think we've got 20 prizes. 20 people are going to win a prize. All of those are coming with a slingshot, so no worries there. We've got the slingshots covered, but yeah, $7,000 worth of gear from all of these awesome brands. So first thing I want you to do is just go check them out. If you've never heard of these brands, go check them out. These are good people. They are all companies that are led by people that are passionate about what they do, have a great team of people behind them, and they really care about their community. And we are really honored that they wanted to partner with us to do this maybe first annual Bushcraft Bonanza. So thanks for taking a look, and definitely go check out all these great sponsors.